Hello friends, today we are going to solve count the number of bad pairs. It is today's LeetCode question. In this question, you may think you can use this code, but it takes big of n square, or you can say order of n square. Here is the optimized version for the problem I am going to solve. So we are going to do this. First, just count the frequency of nums of I minus I and add it into the good pairs. Once we get the good pairs, just return total pairs minus good pairs. Now make these variables. First is n equal length of nums, then good pairs equals to 0. After this, frequency equal to default dict of int and total pairs, which we know is n into n minus 1 by 2. Now run a for loop for k in range n, diff equal nums of k minus k, count pairs, that is good pairs plus equals to frequency of diff. After this we just add 1 to the frequency of diff. In the end, return total pairs minus good pairs. Now submit it. Okay friends, see you later. Bye bye.